Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to DCTV USA. I am Tabinda Gul. Let's take a look at the headlines. Bail in May 9 cases doesn't mean acquittal, says barrister Akil Malik. Imran Khan willing to apologize over May 9. Major message emerges from Adiala jail. Why the rush to elect Imran Khan as opposition leader? People's Party likely to secure opposition's leader's seat in Assembly and Senate, reveal Rauf Kalasra. Army chief never spoke of any apology on May 9, clarifies DGI SPR. World Knowledge Field Marshal successful diplomacy. Washington Times declare Field Marshal General Syed Asim Munir as Iron Man. Who pick up Alima Khan's son Sherry's mystery of the black vehicle? Father holds emergency press conference. Appeal courts overturned $500 million penalty against Trump's but keeps fraud case alive. Netanyahu confirmed Gaza ceasefire talk, plans military push to capture Gaza city. And Walmart lifts sales and profit forecast amid strong consumer demand. These are headlines. Lead to news detail. Now the top story is here. Barrister Akil Malik has stated that granting bail in the May 9th cases does not mean former Prime Minister Imran Khan has been acquitted. He emphasized that a convicted individual cannot walk free simply on bail. Despite the approval of bail applications in the May 9 cases, Imran Khan release remains impossible due to his exiting convictions.
9 मई के 8 मुकदमात में बानी पीटीआई को जमानत दी है। जमानत का मतलब ये हरगिज़ नहीं कि उनको इन मुकदमात से बरी कर दिया गया है। अभी इन केसेस का जो ट्रायल है वो स्टिल ऑनगोइंग है और वो ट्रायल जारी है। अभी कोई फाइनल हतमी जो एक फैसला है या जजमेंट है वो नहीं आया।
Viewers, now a major development has surfaced from Adiala jail, suggesting that former Prime Minister Imran Khan may be willing to offer an apology over the event of May 9. Sources indicate that Khan is considering this step as part of effort to ease his legal and political challenges. The development has sparked widespread debate in political circles, raising questions about its possible impact on ongoing cases and the broader political landscape.
इमरान खान साहब से मेरी मुलाकात हुई जी। मैंने इसको बड़ा सीधा आपको बता दिया कि इमरान खान साहब कह रहे हैं कि जब भी अंधेरी रात जितनी मर्जी लंबी हो जाए, सुबह तुलू होता है और सूरज निकलता है और उसके अंदर इंसाफ के तकाजे पूरे होते हैं।
Now, Rauf Kalasra has relieved that there is unusual haste in effort to elect Imran Khan as the opposition leader. He suggests that both the National Assembly and Senate opposition leader positions may go to the Pakistan People's Party, raising new political questions and challenges. Viewers, now the DGI SPR has clarified that the army chief never made any statement regarding an apology in connections with the May 9 incident. The spokesperson emphasized that no such discussion or directive was issued, rejecting all related speculations circulating in political and media circles. Viewers, global recognition continues to grow. The Field Marshal General Syed Asim Munir's successful diplomacy. The Washington Times has hailed him as the Iron Man, acknowledging his firm leadership and strategic vision. The report highlights his role in strengthening Pakistan's international standing and advancing key diplomatic achievements.
Now I am American. I have citizen.
I still have my Salvadorian passport and now I have my USA passport. I am a citizen of the US.
Khi cầm cái hộ chiếu Mỹ, cô rất là tự hào mình là công dân Mỹ.
La ciudadanía para mí significa oportunidades.
Si ya tienen el tiempo que pueden hacerse ciudadanas, que lo hagan.
No pierde nada uno con intentarlo.
Como dicen en México, echándole ganas, todo se puede.
Now, serious questions have emerged after the sudden disappearance of Alima Khan's son Sherry's. Reports suggest he was taken away in the black vehicle, sparking speculations about who was behind the move. In an emergency press conference, his father demanding immediate answer and accountability, calling the incident alarming and unacceptable.
जो कार थी वो स्पीड अप, मैंने उसका दरवाजा जोर से खोलने की कोशिश की, लेकिन वो उन्होंने जोर से बंद किया हुआ था और फिर वो ले गए उनको। ये अपनी बेगम को घर भेज दिया और यहाँ से एक ड्राइवर उनको दूसरा ड्राइवर लेने चला गया और क्योंकि उनकी बाइक वगैरह वो साथ लेके जाते हैं।
Viewers, in a major legal victory for President Donald Trump, a New York State Appeals Court has thrown out a $500 million penalty that was previously imposed on him. However, the court upheld the fraud case, meaning the legal battle is far from over. The decision allows Trump to rebound from one of his biggest legal setbacks while continuing to face scrutiny over allegations of fraud. Viewers, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has announced that Israel will begin ceasefire negotiation aimed at ending the war in Gaza. At the same time, he confirmed meeting with military commander to approve detailed plans for capturing Gaza City and defeating Hamas. The dual approach signals both diplomatic and military pressure as the conflict continues. Now, viewers, in the last, Walmart has raised its fiscal year sales and profit outlook, fueled by the strong demand from shoppers across all income levels. Consumers concerned about rising costs are increasingly turning to the world's largest retailer for value and affordability. The updated forecast highlights Walmart's resilience and growing dominance in a challenging economic environment. So viewers, thank you for watching and thank you for supporting. This is me, Tabinda, signing off. Stay tuned for more news. DCTV USA, DTV, and our OTT platform, DTV Flex, where you can access to over 3,000 channels. So stay tuned and stay with us.
Now I am American. I have citizen.
I still have my Salvadorian passport and now I have my USA passport. I am a citizen of the US.
Khi cầm cái hộ chiếu Mỹ, cô rất là tự hào mình là công dân Mỹ.
La ciudadanía para mí significa oportunidades.
Si ya tienen el tiempo que pueden hacerse ciudadanas, que lo hagan.
No pierde nada uno con intentarlo.
Como dicen en México, echándole ganas, todo se puede.
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130-plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.